everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with December 2022 mystery. This one is so pretty, and I feel like there's a couple of different times that I'm thinking about using this, but I want to know when you're going to use it in the comments down below. This art is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else, but it is no longer available. So if you sign up for mystery spots on the 1st, you will get the January mystery, which is equally as beautiful, but won't be the same theme. And if you are looking for this kit, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade group, which I would try and link down below, and see if anybody destashes theirs and wants to sell it whenever it comes in. So let's go ahead and get into it. This was actually an idea from a Instagram follower, I think, and they sent me pictures and they were like, you know, it'd be really, really cute, an English picnic kit. And I was like, you know what? That is a fantastic idea. Let's make it happen. So let's go ahead and go through the ultimate kit. I love this. I think this would be perfect for a birthday, any spring, summer day. It would be really pretty for Mother's Day or a graduation party or a bridal shower, a baby shower. It's just very like nice anytime kit, but I still think it could mark a special occasion with the right, you know, full box overlay. I'm obsessed, and I can't wait to hear what y'all think of it. I just love it, and I love these colors. I love a green. Recently, I've been loving green, so I think this very much so gives me March vibes, but I think I want to save it for Mother's Day because I just think it gives me very, like, I don't know, anything with food just really makes my heart happy. So you have your double box scene here, which is a really pretty English inspired garden with the like little shrubs and the statue and the house in the background, the clouds. You have some food here. You have breads and sandwiches and watermelon, a little drink and hat, the picnic basket, a little book, and sunglasses, the Polaroid camera, and then you have the 2 fashion options up here. I just feel like she is a mood, and also I love this with like the hedge in the background. So cute. These colors, obsessed with these colors. I don't think I've used like a tangerine color like this, like a light pink and the 2 greens. I am living for these colors. Again, this is why it gives me March vibes, but also kind of gives me May vibes, but also kind of gives me August vibes. So really anything. It also could be very, I feel like kind of feels a little Bridgerton. If you wanted to use it for that when that premieres. Does anybody know when that premieres? You have a charcuterie board and then a really cute little bicycle with that hedge in the background. Again, I'm obsessed with these colors. Ooh, it's just so stinking good. This would be a really nice one to color block too, I think. You have an ombre on the bottom washi, the hedge pattern, and the date covers, and then the extra box here is a little fashion flat lay. This is the ombre and the extra color. I think it's March. This changes to be like, it looks like label 2. So it'll have like these items and like the glitter headers, and then the doodles here. And then the extra page here has the fountain, which I love this. It just has a lot of movement to it with the water. Then you have another food flat lay with like a little loaf of like a pumpkin loaf, possibly some fruit, cookies, lemons, like a little more charcuterie type situation. And then you have more fashion boxes as well. So I feel like this is just such a good kit. So that's why I want to know, when are you going to use it? Because I feel like I need some inspo and decision making needs to happen, and I'm not sure. I thought that this would look so pretty with gold. I think it would just really pop against these colors, and especially with it having that like tangerine and pink. But I also think this would look really pretty with silver. Those would kind of be my top 2 picks for this. Or I'm just really leaning towards gold, honestly. I just think gold is the move for this one. You could do, I just think with these 2 colors, it's got to be like gold or silver. I feel like matte bronze and matte like and rose, like I feel like they're a little bit too muted. I think like this kind of makes it fun. But again, if you have any other foil color suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. But the foil bundle is in the sparkle format, which you could totally use with this kit. It's pretty neutral, or you could use with another kit. So it's not like, it's not a big deal if you want to use a different one. You could always use this with something else. So this is our normal foil bundle format. So you have the 6 full boxes and the glitter headers, 2 pages of those, 2 pages of the bougie, the icons and the scripts, as well as the headers, the deco, date numbers, and bottom washi. So pretty. And I actually have like this really cute idea for mystery in the future. I don't know when it will start. January obviously I always put like an extra of something in there. It's also going to be a collab foil bundle month, so that's really exciting. And it's always like birthday themed. But I think starting in April possibly, I'm going to be doing something kind of fun. And when I can, when it'll be like an extra, but let me go through the mini kit real quick. It's our more affordable option. So it is the mini format plus 1 page plus the matte freebie in the foil color. So this is the full boxes, the deco, the glitter headers, the mini kit page, the bottom washi, the freebie page, which again will be switched up in, I believe, March, and it'll have the like labels. And then I think it has the extra color. I think that's what we decided on. Not totally sure, but it'll be changing up a little bit. And then you have the freebie of the matte foil labels. So I'm obsessed with this month. Again, I want to know, do you have any other foil color suggestions that you're thinking? Or are you thinking sticking with gold? I think silver will be really pretty too, kind of depending on maybe what your favorite foil color is. Also, when are you going to use this? I think, again, March, May, August are my like top picks. But let me know in the comments down below. I hope you love this month's mystery. Again, next month is always birthday themed, and I am so excited about it. It is so cute. The foil bundle is excellent, and I am just so excited for it. And next year, I mean, I just feel like mysteries have been so good, and then they only get better. Like, oh, March mystery next year is, it's gonna be like a lifelong favorite for a lot of people. I know it. But that is everything. I hope you like it, and I'll talk to you in my next video.